Yeah. We don't wait. We take it. Fast life, no breaks, we go from the dirt, now we run the show. No luck, just grind, just pain. Now we up, we break the chain. Cold nights, no lights, just fight. Now it's fast, big stage, bright lights. From the bottom, the pro, we climb. No fear, this is our time. No stops, no doubts. We in right now. We go fast, so we go hard. From nothing, now we go far. No fear, no limits, no stop. We aim for the top. We go fast, so we go hard. Turn a dream into real life now. From the street to the pro lights glow. We don't stop, we go. One shot, one chance, he took it. No fear, no doubt, just push it. From D to B, big step. Now we here, no rest. Every day he trained for this. Now he lives what dream is. No luck, just sacrifice. Now he plays under bigger lights. Dream, don't stop. Yeah. It's real. Train fight. Pain. You feel. Push hard. No excuses. Top level. That's the goal. We choose it. Started from the ground, no lights, no fear. Empty stairs, just the gate. Every step, every fall, every pain. Now we rising up, we breaking the chain. They didn't see us, they didn't believe. Grass full of mud, but we never leave. Every training, every scar we keep. Now we stand where we dream to be. From the bottom, we built it strong. Every loss made us carry on. No shortcuts, took a long road. Now we shine, now we explode. We fought for this, we earned our place. Now the world gonna hear our name. We rise, we wake up. From nothing to everything, this is our time, this is our crown. We built it up, we won't back down. We rise, we wake. Feel the fire deep within. From Serie D to the Pro League stage. Now we write a brand new page. Years of waiting, years of grind. Now the moment, now we shine. One of us made the biggest leap from D to B. Dreams don't sleep. Sacrifice inside our veins. Every drop, every pain. Now we standing at the top, and we never gonna stop. This is more than just a win. This is where we begin. We rise, we wake up. From nothing to everything. We believe when no one saw. Now we here, we want it all.
Yeah. Stadium lights on. Crowd getting loud. Number 10 in control. Game in my mind, I read every move. One quick pass and the whole team improves. Breaking the press with a touch so clean. Midfield king running the scene. Switch a play, watch the defense slide. Perfect timing on every stride. Right foot fire, left foot gold. Crossing the box, story gets told. Tempo rising every attack. Through ball slicing straight through the back. Young boy dreaming under the lights. Future written in football nights. Control the game, control the flow. Midfield master running the show. Perfect vision, perfect play. Turning the night into highlight day. Control the game, hear the crowd roar. One smart pass, so on fire, every training pushing me higher. Kids on the side watching the play, thinking maybe that's me one day. Some fall down and some will rise, but every dream lives in their eyes. From small town fields to the world stage, writing the dream page by page. Control the game, control the flow, midfield master running the show. Perfect vision, perfect play, turning the night into highlight day. Control the game, hear the crowd roar. One smart pass opens the door. Dreams of glory calling my name. Born to lead and control the game. Control the game. Control the game.
Yeah, this the moment. No turning back. No light, just grind every day. Cold nights, rainfall, still play. No fame, no name, just pain. Now you breaking every chain. They didn't see, they didn't know how far this kid would go. From empty fields to biggest scenes. Now he living what he dreamed. No luck, just work the scars. Now he aiming for the stars. Every step, every fall, made him ready for it all. Now they call his name. Game change, he ain't the same. First step, pro level. From the ground, now he next level. No fear, full throttle go. Now he's stepping in the pro. First step, no limit. Dream big, go and live it. From the mud to the spotlight glow. Now he in pro mode. One car, life change.
Di belle speranze e vera promessa, è incredibile, la grande sorpresa stagionale, il futuro è tutto nelle sue mani, col numero 26, Daniele Perin!
Se nota cuando me ve, ay,